Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to self-install Optimum Internet. First, make sure you have received your Optimum self-setup kit. Inside the kit, you should find the internet equipment, a coax cable, a power cord, an Ethernet cable if included, and a coax splitter if requested. Now locate the QR code that came with your equipment. If your equipment was shipped to you, the QR code will be on the self-setup instructions inside the box. If you picked up your equipment from a store, the QR code will be printed on your receipt. Next, open the camera app on your mobile phone. Then point your camera at the QR code. Now, tap the link that appears on your screen. After that, you'll be automatically directed to the Optimum self-setup experience. Here, follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. Next, connect the coax cable to the modem and the wall outlet. Then, connect the power cord to the modem and plug it into a power outlet. Now wait for the modem to power on and complete its startup process. After that, connect your device to the modem using Wi-Fi or the Ethernet cable if you prefer a wired connection. Here, you may be asked to download the My Optimum app. Then install the app and sign in if required. Next, continue following the instructions provided in the app or setup page. Now wait while Optimum activates your internet service. Once the activation is complete, test your internet connection to make sure everything is working properly. After that, you can connect all of your devices to your new Optimum Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.